MTD Network have dropped in to see Clinton from Lincoln City Engineering. Now, straight away, I know you're based in Lincoln. What sort of machines you got, though?
We've got a Haas ST35 and a XYZ mini mill and a Suga, old Suga, very old.
And for those of you who don't know, I am reliably informed it is a predecessor to a DMG Mori, is that right?
That's right.
Okay. So you're looking at fixed head work and milling?
Fixed head and milling work, that's mainly what we do.
Okay. And any...
And low volume as well.
Okay. Low volume, but you like a bit high volume as well?
Oh yes, would love to.
Now, in terms of sort of industries you work in, anything specific?
Mainly is in oil and gas, you know, and some environment parts.
Okay. And I suppose really should ask any sort of particular materials, or is it anything?
At the moment, it's mainly mild steel and aluminium.
Okay. Now, that's all good. You got, great Haas behind us. The Suga, 1989, I understand?
1989.
But still holding those tolerances?
Oh yeah, it's very good for holding tolerances.
Excellent. So, then you need to showcase what you actually do. So let's have a look at some of the parts.
Some of the parts we do are like vacuum parts for the environment stuff, basically. Yeah. Like a filter holder.
So when you say vacuum part, there's a vacuum in this cavity?
It's a vacuum inside the, what's the name?
So I'm assuming really tight tolerances.
Very tight tolerances, and you've got to have basically a mirror finish inside.
So a lot of polishing?
It's not polished, it's machined that way.
Okay, so it comes off the machine with that sort of surface finish?
Yeah.
Impressive stuff, Clinton. Okay, so you've got that one. Now, another one we prepared earlier. There you go, let's swap it over. So what's this?
These are for, again, environmental stuff where it's all goes outside and it's like collects water and air sampling.
Okay, so I'm presuming on these components, bit of turning and a little bit of milling?
Yeah, all turned and then milled on XYZ.
Okay. So nice intricate parts though, yes. So testing your skills.
Definitely is.
Now you mentioned oil and gas. I know you do some work with some big OEM companies. Have you got an example of the work you do for them?
Yeah. We've got some bits over here.
Showing off now with yes. Holding that.
Right. You know, doing like frames and stuff like that.
Okay, so some great machines, some great parts, Clinton. Anything specific you're looking for in terms of work?
In terms of work, we're more looking for turning work and a fairly decent sized volume work.
Yeah, so every engineer's dream turning in large volumes.
Always.
Yeah. But you can do the one-offs, large batches.
One-offs and small batch is what we mainly do.
Yeah. And that is turning and milling.
Turning and milling, yes.
So anything like that, get in contact with Clinton from Lincoln City Engineering.